All right, now that we are logged in, we can go to have a better look at how to prepare your application by going in Admission and then Application. Here you have a checklist of all the documents you need to upload and to add to your application form. First of all, the copy of your international passport or your ID card if you do not have passport. In the second place, you need to add the proof of place of residence, for instance, a residence certificate issued by your municipality, or you can have a look at the Prado website. Here there is the link, where it is specified for every countries which documents are requested in these cases. We also accept any official document in which it is clearly stated your residence, for instance, your household bills, where it is present both your name and your residence. Third, we need the copy of your diplomas and other certificates you have awarded during your career, and the copy of the diploma supplement if it is available from your universities. It is important that this diploma supplement is in English or in any other languages of the master degree, so both in French, Spanish, or Portuguese. Then we ask you to upload the copy of your transcript of record. This needs to be also translated in English or in any of the other master languages, because it is important that the selection committees will be able to read and to understand what is there. Then we need a copy of 2 reference letters. This point is very important because it is a key element also for the evaluation. So the 2 reference letters must be on headed paper of the institution from which your referees belong to, and duly signed in a recent date. They also need to be referring to your application to the International Master specifically, as we do not really evaluate with a high rank too much generic reference letters. Another very important document is your curriculum vitae, which needs to be in the Europass format only. Here you can download the template, and just to briefly show you, this is how it looks like. So you have space for add your work experiences, your education and training, where it is asked you to specify also the qualification awarded, and if possible, add also the final mark also here. Then this section is also very important, is where we ask you to specify the knowledge of the languages that you know, both English and the second language of the chosen academic path. And then there is a space also for you to add other skills and competencies, and also to add all the other experience you have done during your career and your life experiences. We also valued very much volunteering experiences in the framework of sustainable development and climate change, and all the experience of, let's say, the non-formal education that you have done until now. Okay, then the last mandatory document is the personal statement. This needs to be filled in English. Here you can download the template, which you need to follow. Please do not add the motivation letter that do not follow this scheme. Here, as you can see, there are 5 questions which you are asked to answer. Please do not modify the questions, and try and stay in the lines that are indicated here, if they are indicated. Very important for this personal statement is this 5th question, in which we ask to specify the reason of your choice of the academic path. So please be sure to fill the entire document with this question included. The last point of this checklist, it is indicated that you can upload also language proficiency diplomas or certificate if you have them. They are not mandatory in order to be eligible for the master, but of course, if you have some diplomas, language diplomas is an added value. Finally, remember that all the documents must be submitted in the PDF format. And now, if everything is clear, we are ready to apply.